Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samiksha Juneja and your Thatgirlsamyy on Instagram page. If you're following me there, and if you're not following me there, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You'll find different kind of reels and entertainment over there. As you've already read the title, so yes, in today's video what I'm going to show you guys is like a sneak peek into get ready with me for this Rakhi. I have got my Rakhi outfit already, which I'm very excited about, and I'll show it to you guys as well. So yes, yes, before getting into the outfit, definitely I need to do something, and that is do my makeup, make this canvas more prettier. Right now it's like my bare face. I've already prepped my skin, like moisturized, as you guys already know. I'll include, if you guys want me to include my prep routine, I'll include that in my another video. Just comment it down below and let me know. So yes, let's begin with this video and let's start with this makeup tutorial. So yes, as I've already prepped my skin, what I'll do is I'll put this MAC Mini Strobing Cream on my face. It's in the shade Pink Light, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly dab it on my face and then just pat it. As you guys already know, I love this cream. If you guys don't know, then I'm telling it to you right now. What I'm going to do is I am going to put it on my face. I don't know whether you guys can see it right now with the camera or not, but it gives a little sheen to your face. I'll start with the concealer. So today I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade, okay, I cannot find it. Yeah, it's in the shade medium. And then I'm going to take this foundation brush and I'm going to just dab it in. I know I should use another concealer brush, but I'm not having it right now, so I'm just using this one to just blend it out. I'm also going to use a mirror to see what I'm doing right now, because I cannot see much in this camera. So I'm quickly going to blend it. So next I'll move it with my foundation. This is the foundation I'm going to use. It's it's Estee Lauder Double Wear 1. I'm in the shade Cool Bone. Yeah, I know this foundation is a little bit expensive, but for the occasion like Rakhi, you gotta expense it sometimes. So I'm going to quickly apply it on my face. Next I am going to even use another concealer with me. I'm having this one, Maybelline Eraser one. So I'm going to brighten up a little bit under the eye, just a little bit, not much. So just a little bit brightening is needed for your under eyes, and then I'll just blend it in. I'm using the same brush again. You guys can use a different brush each time, but I'm a bit lazy. I don't feel like grabbing too many brushes right now, or even usually when I'm on the go, I always prefer using the same brush for my concealer and the foundation. Use another concealer with me. I'm having this one, Maybelline Eraser one. So I'm going to brighten up a little bit under the eye. So next step I'm going to do, guys, is setting my base using this loose powder. It's from K Beauty. Okay guys, so let's begin with the eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette, this one, and I'm going to use this shade. I cannot see the name, I don't know the name of it, but I'm using this shade. I hope you guys can see this one. I'm going to use this shade. So I'm quickly going to, and I'm going to use this brush. Then I am going to use a little bit of the transitional shade, this shade. I'm going to use this shade on my crease area. Done with doing my eyes. I am going to use this bronzer. This is from Physicians Formula, as you guys can see, and I love this one. I have used other bronzers from other ranges as well, but kind of got back on to this one itself only, and I'm going to do it under my cheekbones. And what I'm going to do next is, how can we forget this? I'll go ahead with my blush and with my blush brush. So yes guys, I'm going to go ahead with my blush. It's a little extra, and or I can say a little bit too pinkish right now. I feel like it's, when I see in the front, I feel like it's a little bit excess. So what you guys can do is just get a little bit of your loose powder, and to give it more natural look or to blend it even more, and just apply it over it. Once you apply it over, what it will do is it will just make the shade a little lighter and more natural looking. That's done. My face is almost done. All I need to do is just go ahead with the highlighter. So I'm going to highlight my areas. I am using this highlighter. It's by the Maybelline Master Chrome. Apply this mascara. It's from the Maybelline Hyper Curl range. Okay, I don't know whether you guys can see or not, but I'm telling you it's the Hyper Curl. I'm telling you guys it's the Hyper Curl Easy Wash. I don't go ahead with the mascaras which are waterproof. Reason being, it's just too much harsh on your eyes, because when you try to wash it off, then it doesn't come off easily, and the chemical stays on your eyelashes for a longer time. That is again harmful for you. So just to avoid that, I use the washable one. I mean, to each his own. If you guys prefer the long lasting one, the waterproof one, go ahead with it, but I prefer using this one. If you guys are like me, who always tends to forget doing their brows, then this is the right time. Go ahead and do it. Just like me. Because this is a step, I believe, which you can do it even at the end of your makeup, because it's not the prerequisite step for any other step. So kind of like easy on the go, and that is done. It was pretty quick and easy. And also I forgot to tell you what I was using. It was the Maybelline brow pencil, and that was in the dark brown shade. I cannot, it has gone over with the time, so I cannot tell you. Yeah, it's natural brown. I saw it, I found it, yay. So for the last step, I'm going to use the balm one, and I'm going to use the shade, I believe right now is this one, and it's Adoring. Let's see how adoring does it make us. I'm just kidding, guys. These shades are, you know, really pretty and really beautiful. So this is the shade. It's the mini version of it. You can go ahead with the one whichever you want. I am just going to quickly apply it on my lips. So yes, guys, that's done. I'm done with putting on my lip color. Just to let you know, guys, this lip crayon is very matte. It will just dry out within seconds. You will not even let you know, it will not even let you know when it dries out. So yes, because definitely matte lipsticks are the perfect one when it comes to the summers, or I can say this changing weather, autumn. Okay, guys. So yes, guys, that is my look for the Rakhi. And yes, these earrings are from the Myntra. I just got it, you know, some time back. These are very beautiful earrings. I really love them. It was going well with my outfit. So yes, I need to take it out and had to pair it up. So yes, this is the outfit. This is the kurta I'm wearing. Let me just stand up and show it to you guys, if you guys can see. So yes, and I have paired it up with the white pants. You can pair it up with jeans, or you can pair it up with any other trouser which is white in color. It will look beautiful, or you can even do a mix and match. Up to you guys. So yes, guys, this is the makeup look which I have come up with today, and I am going to keep this bun because, you know, I believe it's very hot out there and humid. So I do not want to, you know, get even more sweaty and destroy my makeup, or even get it affected even a teeny tiny bit. So if you guys are like me, you will do this one. If you don't, please go ahead, open up your hair, because any which way we are going to stay. If we are going to stay indoors, then definitely ACs are there. So yes, guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, even if you don't, please show some love to me, guys. It would mean a lot for me. Please go ahead, like, share and subscribe. Ta-da! And also hit that notification bell if you want to get notified for my videos. And yes, until then, toodles.